Hey guys, today you'll learn how to get free stuff with Microsoft Rewards. That's right, you can earn free rewards from Microsoft. Now, this used to be called the Bing Rewards program, but Microsoft have rebranded it. And you can still earn your Bing search rewards, but there's plenty more other ways to earn free stuff with Microsoft Rewards. So you just need to sign up for an account. You might already have a Microsoft account. If you do, you just need to log in. And once you're in, you just head over to the Rewards tab and you'll be able to see what rewards you currently earn. Now, there's lots of different ways to earn rewards. And if we have a look at my points breakdown, we can see that I've had a Microsoft Edge bonus. By using Microsoft Edge, you can earn up to 3 points a day. Which is about 90 points a month, just by using Bing in Microsoft Edge. Now you can also do 30 daily searches, and you can also earn points with Shop and Earn, and there's other things too. So let's have a quick look at the Bing rewards here. So currently my rewards level is at 105. If I actually just search for 365 ways to make money, and we'll see my video here appears after all the ads. Now, as you see, we've actually moved up from 105 to 108, so I gained 3 points. Now, there's other ways to earn points as well. You can earn in the free sweeps. If you're a sports fan and you complete a few tasks, like buying some digital editions for games, you get a bonus 25,000 points. Now, 5,000 points is equivalent to about $5, so 25,000 points is $25. So you'll need to work out whether that's actually going to be a good buy or not. So there are other activities that you can do just to earn a few points. So if I wanted to set a goal of a gift card, I'll just go and collect one of my local supermarkets and set that as a goal. I've just earned some extra points. Now you can also do little quizzes for 30 points, and we'll just quickly run through that. That shouldn't be too hard. Ever heard of Voice? Peanuts Gang in 1959. So let's just say it was Miss Othama. Yay, I got 10 points. So we'll keep going, keep clicking through. Eventually you'll get it right. Well, that's got to be April O'Neil, surely. And there we go. So I've just earned another 30 points. There's another quiz. So this has just done another Bing search for me and added 10 points. So the trick is to come back every day and actually just check out your activities and see if there's anything else that needs to be done. But just keep in mind that it takes 5,000 points to earn $5. Now there is also a Microsoft Rewards status level. So when you join, you're at level 1. And if you earn 500 points each month, you'll move up to level 2, which just means you can earn more through Bing search. And you get a few other discounts as well. When I joined Microsoft Rewards, the thing that got me to join first up was they were offering a voucher for a free pizza. I couldn't say no to that. So every now and again, you will see these little special deals come up. So it's definitely worth joining Microsoft Rewards and just using Bing and Edge. Microsoft really are struggling in the search area, but if you actually use Bing, you'll find that it actually has some half-decent results, especially like the videos. So when you're actually doing searches for videos, it actually returns some decent videos, and you can do previews really quickly as well. So it's pretty smart technology. So obviously if you're in YouTube, well, you'll just stay in YouTube. But every time you're doing a search in Bing, you're earning reward points. And depending what country you live in, you'll get different opportunities for either gift cards or special Microsoft products, including Xbox Game Passes and Skype credit. So it's a great way to get free stuff with Microsoft Rewards. So go ahead and join the Microsoft Rewards program if you haven't already. And that's all I've got time for today. So until next time, it's bye for now.